The greedy dog. There was a dog that was very hungry. He searched for the food everywhere, and at last he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. When he started crossing it, he saw a reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So he started to barking at his own reflection. His bone fell in the water. As soon as he opened his mouth, the greedy dog lost his own bone. Moral: greed is curse. Don't be greedy. For more entertaining videos, please subscribe my channel NW Kids Network. Thank you.